sexy welding people from YouTube, what you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Quick video for you guys. Just came out of work, tired and thirsty. Okay. This wife needs to have a fridge over here. Vieja, tráeme un limón. But yeah guys, came out of work. Quick video for you guys. Why welders and engineers will never be friends. They decide to make a 32-degree elbow. That's right. And I thought, man, poor pipe fitter. But in this job, guys, I wash and dry.
I wash and dry. I'm like a single mother.
That's right. I have to fit all my shit and weld it. So if I get high-low, blame it on the fitter, which is me. God damn. Okay. Without further ado, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube. So right here you can see 32.25 right there. This is my ISO. And this is the formula that we use. It was a pain in the ass. That's right. Over here we have all my shit, all my gear, my gloves, my new hood, which I'll be doing a review on it. I just bought it. I like it. I love it. It's perfect. 100%. My grinder stand, some drugs, you know, to get going, get everything perfect, 100%, my friend. I love it, the mother, and a bunch of shit. All right, levels, squares. So this is a 45, not cut yet. We're gonna tack it and then cut it because it's easier that way. And this is me getting the roll off with my center finer and getting ready to tag this 90. As you can see here, like I said in my videos before, everything's level, everything's perfect, 100%. As you can see here on the ISO, if you have the 32.25 elbow looking like this, we can put the 90 facing up. I didn't record how I welded it, but now as you can see here, the 90 is facing north, so I can fit the other 90. Alright, and I'm just playing with the crane a little bit, you know. Whee! I love it. I have a private crane, guys, in this shop. It's nice, you know, but at the same time it sucks, you know. On my head I'll be giving up signals and I'm like, whoa, wait a minute, I have a controller here, you know, because on the job, you know, we give signals, we don't do stuff like this. So, you know, it's fun, but at the same time, you know, you have to do everything by yourself. You know, crane operator, rigger, fitter, welder, helper, everything. Alright, it's just fun, you know. The day flies real quick, you know, 10 hours goes fast. Okay, this is a 10-inch pipe, standard. Okay. So having a lot of fun right here, as you can see. All the videos that I made on how to fit 90s, how to fit 45s, is the same thing, guys. Just have to be, everything has to be level, like right here, you know, putting my spacer right there. They want a 1/8 gap, which is fucking big, humongous for stick, but that's what they want. So I have to lower the temperature, you know, and take it easy, my friend. Alright, after I put a tag, check everything's level. It's perfect, 100%. I love the mother. Doing everything fast motion because, you know, it takes a bunch of time to get it to the right spot. You know, put the tags, you know, level it and all that. That's why it's fast motion right here. But yeah, guys, just, you know, I put a link on the description how to fit a 90, how to fit a 45. Okay, so you guys can check it out. I'll probably be making updates because I've been fitting a lot of 90s and 45s, so probably do a new video how to fit it, since these, you know, these are big 10-inch elbows. It will be easier to explain. But I'm using 1A 6010 right here. We're using the Miller Works 400. That's right. I'll probably do a review on that machine as well. It doesn't weld like my welding machine, that's for sure. But it is what it is, you know. I'm not gonna use my machine if they're not paying for it, you know. And you know, it doesn't weld that bad. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's all good. No sé lo que dices, baboso, pendejo. But yeah, guys, just me fitting pipe all day, welding all night. That's right. Captain Manny getting it done. So a lot of work, guys, on this shop. Oof, man, I finished one ISO, they give me another one. Like, god damn. I'm like, damn, Joe Robinson. You know, we only take a break and half-hour lunch, but like I said, time flies. And what else can we do, you know? This is the only thing right now that is popping up. Hopefully soon. I don't want to leave this job. I'm having a lot of fun, you know. But you know, if something pops up, we're gonna have to take it. You know, something will redeem. But we'll see. I mean, we'll see what happens. But you know, Captain Manny fitting a lot of 90s, 45s, 10-inch, 4-inch, all the flavors that you can imagine in sizes. It's perfect, 100%. Alright, guys, and that was it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything. All my social media right here is gonna pop up somewhere here on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the videos of Captain Manny. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep drinking my cerveza, because the day is perfect, 100%. I love it, the mother. It's like 72 degrees here. It's kind of hot inside trailer, so over here is nice. I have a mountain view over there, and I have a casino on my back. I might hit it up later. Other than that, guys, stay safe out there. Try to stay home if you can, and I'll see you the next time. Alright, bye.